As part of efforts of closing financial inclusion gap for over 35.5 million Nigerians with disabilities, Association of Lawyers with Disabilities in Nigeria, ALDIN, has convened a one-day validation workshop on the baseline survey, accessibility audit, and policy on strengthening financial inclusion of persons with disabilities in Nigeria. Executive Secretary of the National Commission for Persons with Disabilities, Honorable Ayuba Govwan, represented by Barrister Mariam Mekpagili, State Council Compliance and Enforcement Department, stated that Nigerians with disabilities without equitable access to banking, credit, insurance, and digital financial services and have goals of economic empowerment, independent living cannot be achieved.
Financial exclusion remains one of the greatest barriers faced by the over 35.5 million Nigerians with disabilities. Without equitable access to banking, credit, insurance, and digital financial services, the goal of the economic empowerment, poverty reduction, and independent living cannot be achieved.
Theophilus Odaudu, Program Officer for Africa at the Disabilities Rights Fund, reiterated the organization's commitment to advancing and safeguarding the rights of persons with disabilities in Nigeria, calling on stakeholders to move beyond discussions and turn the findings into concrete actions. Barrister Ikem Uchegbulam, National President and Project Lead of ALDIN, explained that the validation meeting was not only intended to present research outcomes, but also to ensure that the data accurately reflect the lived experiences of persons with disabilities. He noted that the project takes a critical look at the challenges they face in accessing financial services, highlighting that despite existing policies, many still encounter major physical, digital, systematic, and attitudinal barriers that hinder full inclusion in the financial system. The workshop represents an important milestone in the project, providing an opportunity for stakeholders to scrutinize preliminary findings, validate the data, and jointly develop recommendations ahead of financial dissemination and policy engagement. It brought together representatives from government, financial institutions, civil society organizations, and organizations of persons with disability to review and strengthen evidence-based findings supported by the Disability Rights Fund.